Hey guys, welcome to episode of Minecraft gameplay, and pick up my anvil here. I've already started with this, and it's doing real well. I got iron armor, got lots of stuff, 2 potions which I got off the NPC village, gold, everything else. So yeah, let's get in this. And I'm also joined by here Little Bird with me, which if you want to go in.
Hey guys, check my channel out. Links on the top. So
yeah, go ahead, go down and right, go into the description. So yeah, as you see here, I got a nice little pickaxe, and hoping to do more. Introduce myself, and I understand I'm a young YouTuber. I'm not like a Syndicate or a Sky. Okay. Or SS Sunday or anything else. I'm just, but don't freaking judge me in the comments, but I had to put this skin on. I mean, come on. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, you didn't see that. You didn't see that. Anyway, let's get into this. Put myself back on game mode. So I am, oops. Give me a second. That's how you do if you are like in a demo version for anybody. Just saying. I'm not in the demo, as you can see I've done 1.7, I'll show you in a second.
So yeah guys, I'm back
Little
here
bird
again.
here.
I just want to say this is his first video with my friend. Guys, I want you to like it up, comment, and subscribe, okay? I said probably last
Problem. Okay. Yay, taking inventory. And that's my friend just joined my video. My first video. My friend. Little bird. No, really? Stop whispering to me. We can hear you. Hopefully. Anyway, sorry if the video quality's bad or anything like that. I'm on a little laptop. I'm just trying to get big on YouTube. It's all gonna be a dream. Like the Syndicates or blah blah blah. They're freaking, they're just beast at Minecraft. Let's be honest. Come on. They're beast at Minecraft. We can all try, can't we? See if I can get the redstone. Which XP? XP and not my nether? This is redstone or lapis. Very good. And you probably all know that. Helping the noobs out there. So I've been mining for a little while. Got some diamonds. Everything like that. Got this nice enchantment book that I have, which is efficiency 5. I didn't really get the enchantment table. I got an anvil from just mining a heck of a lot when I got that book. I did not want to die with it. So, yeah, I'm doing good. And for all you who proved I'm in 1.7.2, if I can run this real quick. I don't want to go in game mode because a lot of you say I'm cheating, but if I would, go /game mode 1, go to this, as you can see, I've got the orange wood, I've got pottery, and I've got red sand and stained glass, including, if I can, as you can see, black in the background, stained glass. So, can't judge me. So I exit out of that and not cheat and go back into game mode 2. Back in. Yay. Oh god, I'm sorry I'm laughing. My little bird is just being a nuisance over there, distracting me. But yeah, hopefully I'll be, I was doing my pickup somewhere. Hopefully, hopefully you guys will subscribe. I know I'm not going to be one of them guys who post comments on, say, like, videos like Syndicates or whatever you call it. Skies, whatever. Saying that, like, join, look at my channel. No, I'm not going to be like them. I'm not going to be one of them guys. I'm just going to be, please like, rate, and subscribe, For all the little YouTubers out there, I just say, congrats to you if you're doing really well, because it's very hard to do. probably I'm not gonna get 3 likes or something on this video. If we can get 10 likes, I will literally just flip off my head. I mean, 10 likes, that's nothing compared to like the Asian Canadian has 20,000 likes. I mean, come on. That's just, wow. Little bird's gonna talk again. Maybe. No. It's been real silent.
Alright guys, we're gonna have to wrap it up soon.
Alright, so we're gonna wrap it up and do episode 2, 3. If I can get 10 likes on this video and at least 1 subscriber from this, anybody out there with your hearts, okay? 10 likes, subscriber. Thank you so much for watching. Here's this.